one must not generalize and feel like all star kids have been given, like are privileged. I had to pick up the phone. I had to make calls. I had to go to comedy clubs and say, hey, can I audition? I'm an aspiring comedian.
Right now, there's this huge debate on the insiders versus outsiders in Bollywood. Nepotism, of course, has been one of the most talked about topics since the past few years now. With you being Johnny Lever's daughter in this industry, what are your views on this?
I can just talk about my journey. Being someone who is, I'm an actor's child. I'm a star kid, as they say. I don't like saying this, but I'm a star kid. But for me, it's like, I think I realized that when people say nepotism is there, nepotism, okay? I don't feel like, that applies to every star kid. It doesn't. One must not generalize and feel like all star kids have been given, like are privileged, because I've had a very different journey. I feel like, very strongly, I must say, Supriya, I feel like there is favoritism. There's no nepotism. There is favoritism to a certain lot. There is favoritism towards your friend's child. There's favoritism towards a group of people that you know and that you've seen growing up in front of you. There's favoritism, and my dad has been the kind of person where he's like, he's done his job like a job. He didn't make it his life. He went to work, he did his acting, he did his shoots, but he came back home and he lived his real life. He lived his real life, which was his family, his people around him, his spiritual life, his God, and all of that. That was his real life. And he did not make his job the center of attention. And we were never a part of like any filmy parties. We never went. We never kind of like were in that gang because my dad was not filmy. My mom was like I said, she came from a very humble background. So she was like, नहीं, मेरे बच्चे बस मेरे पास रहे, मुझे उतना ही चाहिए. She never left us one bit. My entire childhood, she was with us. She was like, your dad is busy working, but I'll sacrifice my life, dedicated 100% to my kids. So she was like very like that. So we never went to all of this. But when I decided to come into this, my dad never made any phone calls for me. My dad never said, मेरी बेटी आ रही है, please इसको launch करना. नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. I had to pick up the phone. I had to make calls. I had to go to comedy clubs and say, hey, can I audition? I'm an aspiring comedian. I've done it. I have picked up the phone and called casting directors, said, hey, I'm Jamie and okay, I'm Johnny G's daughter. Have to mention, can't run away from it. Because one day or the other, they're going to know about it. So I'm like, okay, but you know what? Can I come and test for you? Can I meet you? Can we have a meeting? I've done it. I've kind of had to create my own path, and my dad was very clear about it. When I came down from London, he was like, हाँ बेटा, तुमको करना है, कुछ सोचा है क्या, कैसे करना है, कुछ सोचा है, कोई planning है? Then I was like, okay, he wants me to do it myself, because he also figured it out himself. He was a nobody, being in Kalyanji Anandji's shows and then going on world tours. वहां से निकल के कुछ उनको कोई एक फिल्म में कोई recommend करता है, and then he does a movie, and then from one movie to another. So just that, in the same way, from me doing small stand-up gigs, then, to going to a comedy circus audition, I've gone there, made that phone call and said, sir, I want to come and audition. On the basis of talent, I got my job. On the basis of that show, I got many other TV shows. On the basis of couple of videos that went viral of mine, on the basis of that, I got my first film, Kis Kis Ko Pyar Karu. Then from there, I was doing a TV show where somebody spotted me and they were like, listen, why aren't you doing movies? And I'm like, sir, milti nahi hai movies. So from there, I got another movie. Then I got Houseful. And so kaam se kaam mila mujhe. Because we were never a part of any group. But I'm very proud of my journey, I think I'm very proud of my journey. I've had this, and I'm very proud of where I am today, because today, if I'm getting comments like in my Instagram posts, I'm getting comments like, this is real talent, this is a true star kid, then I've earned it. I've earned that respect purely on the basis of talent and on the basis of, how I went about things. So ये है outsider insider का बहुत आजकल, बहुत बातें हो रही हैं. I feel like we were, as a family, I'm just saying, we were never like insiders. That's just how we are. My family. I don't want to talk about anybody else. All I can say is, everybody deserves a chance. And I feel like, this period, Supriya, has been very good for us as an audience, because abhi kya hua hai, हमको आर्टिस्ट की परख हो गई है. We know what a good artist is and what a bad artist is, and who's well deserving and who's not deserving. This, whatever's happened now with us losing a very good actor, it's made us question things. And we are questioning, did we do something wrong? Are we supporting the right talent? Is the producer supporting the right talent? Are they getting the right opportunity? Are the right people getting opportunities? So, we as an audience have had the time to reflect and think, maybe we're doing something wrong. Maybe we need to go after true talent and not after, what's been thopoed on our faces. They say nepotism, but I feel like there are a lot of things involved. There are many facets to it. There are agencies, there are PR groups, there are all these people who are shoving things in our faces constantly and saying, isko pasand karo, ye lo, ye lo, ye lo. There are a lot of things like that. But I feel like this is a very good time. This lockdown has been very good for us to sit and actually reflect and think, कि हाँ भाई, what is true talent, what we should be after, in fact, किसको हमें follow करना चाहिए, कौन हमें actually entertain कर रहा है. But everybody deserves a chance, and then audience is the judge. Right. The audience decides, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, है ना, चाहे उसका background कुछ भी हो या background ना भी हो, ultimately the audience decides. And this is a good time because we as the audience, we are getting now, परख हो गई हमें. True. Because we've questioned everything after what has happened in the recent times. I think everything should be, it's all positive, it's all good. It's all positive.
Do you think there are a lot of opportunities for female comedians out there in Bollywood today?
I feel like I said, again, we are in a good space right now because, I think back in the day when I started, it's been 8 years now. I started 8 years ago. And at that time, there were just next to nobody, like nothing. Just a couple, very, you could just count them on the tip of your fingers. Very, very few female comedians. I think back then, maybe the society was such, but I feel like now we have changed a lot, with time. There are a lot of female comedians out there. I mean, when I go for stand-up gigs, I go I go to watch a lot of stand-up gigs, and I see, like, I'm amazed to see so many female comedians up and coming, and I feel amazed, like, wow, this is so good. Like, back then it wasn't there. 8 years ago, nahi tha. 8 years ago, I was, there were very few female artists, and when I remember when I went for my first gig, at a comedy club in Mumbai, brand new comedy club in the whole of India. I think it was the first one. When I went there and they told me, they said, we really need a female comedian. So I'm glad you came forward and, also, do this kind of comedy. They were telling me, what kind of comedy I should do because they're like, there are very, very few female comedians. So aise karna, and, people will really enjoy to see a woman talk like that, be bold and be out there and, talk like this. So, there were really very, very few comedians then. I remember seeing Aditi Mittal at that time. She was also doing a lot of open mics. So I went, at that time I was learning to do comedy. I was in Mumbai, but yeah, I saw Aditi Mittal doing open mics, and now see where she is. She's like one of the best comedians we have in our country. And yeah, so I think it's better, definitely better now. There are a lot of girls coming up.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.